Salut aux étudiants et aux étudiantes. Today we're going to be talking about les mois et les saisons, or months and seasons. So let's get started. We're going to start with the seasons, just because they're there's fewer of them and they're more vague. So we have le printemps, which is the spring, le printemps. We have l'été, which is the summer. We have l'automne, which is the fall or autumn, whichever you prefer, but l'automne for both. We have l'hiver for the winter. And then now with the months. So our first month is janvier, and you'll also note that the seasons as well as the months are always written in lowercase letters. In French, they don't see them as proper nouns, so whenever you have February or January or Monday in the middle of a sentence, you wouldn't find it with a capital letter, unless the January, Monday, February is beginning a sentence. So janvier, January. Février, February. Mars, Avril, Mai, which is May, so Mai. Juin, Juillet, which is July. Août. So you sort of sound like an owl a little bit when you're saying it, so it's août. You can also pronounce it, you'll also hear the pronunciation août with the final T, août. But it's more of a formal thing. People, if they really want to be very formal or very fancy, and generally the older generation will say août, but most people nowadays would say août. Septembre, Octobre, Novembre, Décembre. So in summary, we have the seasons, which are le printemps, l'été, l'automne, et l'hiver. And the months, les mois, we have janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août or août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. So that's all. Those are the months and those are the seasons. And then in the next video, we'll be talking about the days of the week and the format that the date should take. So, merci et à bientôt.